Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Rachel appeared in the first dozen episodes of My Wife and Kids. However, she was subsequently replaced on the show by Jennifer Freeman when the second season began. It is reported that Rachel was removed from the show by her mother, who was concerned about a storyline involving the pregnancy of a friend.
Make your mark, take our lead.
For the first season, Rachel played the middle child, Claire Kyle. She was spunky, talented and a central part of the show. But when the second season aired, Rachel was noticeably absent and a different actress, Jennifer Freeman, had taken over her role.
Let's help you make your mark.
Teresa Freeman. Jennifer Freeman, parents. Jennifer Freeman about she joined movies and TV shows named My Wife and Kids, 2001 to 2005. You Got Served, 2004. True to the Game, 2017. Johnson Family Vacation, 2004. And Tales, since 2017. The parents of Jennifer Freeman are Teresa Freeman. She had one child, Isabella Amora Watson. Her spouse is Earl Watson, M.
Take our lead.
5. My Wife and Kids, number of seasons. The following is a page of episodes for the television sitcom My Wife and Kids. The series aired on ABC from March 28, 2001, to May 17, 2005, with a total of 123 episodes produced spanning 5 seasons.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.